Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something we've done before. We have went to 360 Motorsport Park in Kerry to do a beginner's day. Now, there is a bit of a twist. Roxana's driving her E46 just to do a bit of seat time because extra seat time is valuable. But also we have Mark. Mark came down as well. But it's not him driving. It is his lady that's driving. So this will be very interesting. It's her first time ever drifting on a track. So it'll be very, very interesting to see how she gets on. She's been trying or practicing with a sim. Mark said that she's getting on very, very well. So we'll see. We'll see how she gets on. Hopefully very, very, very well. Right, no more yapping. Let's get to it. Stinks in here. Exhaust fumes. Bloody stinks. Bit of crack.
Yeah.
And enjoy the drive.
We'll see if it survives.
Yeah, I'm sure it will. There's nothing wrong with it. And if it breaks, at least it breaks now and not on at the track in Mondello. Get out.
Oh, that is lovely, son, isn't it? I can't imagine how full this place gets.
Very.
The IDS here is the last of the season.
It is, yeah.
How are they going to fit that many people here?
Oh, they already do. Like that whole place is full. All of that is full.
Like, is that part?
And here is full.
Or how does that work?
I think these might be the pits here as well.
If she's not moving, give it more. And if you can't give it more, just keep going.
Now. I don't think that was Roxana driving. That was really good.
That was Roxana.
I know, yeah. I must say, very, very good job to Roxana. That was actually very nice. More practice, more confidence. I love to see it. Love to see it. Run, Mark. Knock it off.
Yeah, it's really hot.
Ah,
Really hot.
good job. You're put in gear, yeah?
Yeah, it's weird.
Alright, okay. Very good job. Well done. Very well done. Especially when you linked it.
Yeah, I was linking it twice and then the wheels were just, I can't even, like, I need new tires.
Yeah. You 100% do. A chunk of it flew like this towards me. Yeah, Mark managed to find some part 1 tires for like 15 euros each.
Oh wow.
Yeah, which isn't the best, but as in price wise is brilliant, but quality as in, you know, it's part 1.
It's part warrants, is it?
Yeah, so he's gonna be on the way down soon.
Oh, he's not here yet?
No, he didn't even leave yet. So you have that. Oh yeah. Could do with tracking. Could do with tracking really bad. Like that's not eating very well, or that's not wearing down evenly. It's alright. Good job.
Thank you.
Good job. It's a good car. Really good car. Alright, let's see. I might go down with Mark actually. I might go down with Mark and see for the tyres. I mean, you still have the 15s, but do you really want to use the 15s?
Yeah, I'm not gonna be waiting around like.
It's up to you. I mean, at the same time, if we don't get tyres for you, then that is your only set left.
Yeah.
Come on, we'll get that. We'll get it sorted. We'll get it sorted. Oh wow. Nice. Now, bit of an update. We're leaving said track.
No, not yet. Hold on.
No. No, really. Well,
Well,
the aim-
go after.
the aim is, Mark, we have no time.
We have time for 2 runs.
No, okay, fine. We have time for 2 runs. We'll be going down, find some tires, and then back, fit them, and off they go again.
Also, that's an aux belt. That's a fan belt.
Yeah?
Yeah. It's not tire, that's a fan belt.
Imagine that's Roxana.
She's getting there.
Please don't say that again beside me.
What?
Good girl.
As in fair play, like. Why, was that weird?
Yes.
Oh. Fair play, like. Han woman. Han woman. Han woman. Han woman.
Come on, let's go. Let's go get those tires.
We have tires.
Drive on, would you? Well, we managed to get tires. 2 sets of 15s for Roxana and
2 sets. 16s.
2 sets of 16s for Katie. Should be fine. It'll do for the rest of the day. It's only what? It's 20 to 1.
Yeah.
Only 3 hours left.
A worst case scenario, like that set that Katie put on is burning much slower than I thought.
Yeah.
She went through the first set like
Fast.
that. Mother of God, it was quick.
But now it'll be a case of Roxana's getting a brand new set. I'd say that'll do for the rest of the day.
Even if it doesn't, there's a chance I might have 2 left over.
There you go. Exactly.
Maybe 16s on the car then.
There you go. Oh yeah, we'll go back now.
We're getting stuff done.
We'll go back now and get a cup of coffee, get fed.
Do they have coffee there?
Yeah. Say one of the instant coffees.
Ah, do you want to just stop at the nice shop?
No, we'll have some instant coffee.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll stop at the shop. Got tires, fitted them on. This is the brand new ones. Now, just gotta gun them down. Right, go have fun. Go down to the track and go have fun. Yeah. Well, you have the power warns, but they're very bad. So have fun, and if they go, they go. We'll see what happens then. Good job, Katie. Bravo. on, Mark. Put on your part warning.
This is what I do for a living.
So he's fitting the tyres. Roxana and Katie are on the track. Yeah. Woo! It's not that bad of a day. Quite nice. I like it. Very windy. Close call.
I just really want to go around.
So that was close.
That was a good save.
That was a good save. Yeah. God, I can't wait for my. Oh my god.
It'll be good.
It will be so good. Oh yeah, battery died on the GoPro from inside the car, so yeah, we're on the last one. So I believe that's gonna be it for today. It was a good day. Thankfully it was sunny and we had to do a bit of adventure time, a bit of a quest. That's not that bad. Let me know down in the comments if you think she got on okay. She reads the comments also, so she'll be reading them. You let her know that she did very well. Right, like once again, thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do, and we will see you in the next one. Bye.